Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the fuzz out of the garage. Stay tuned. Alright guys, got a couple of parts coming for the fuzz next week, or this week when you're seeing this. I've got an O2 bung coming, so I can move the O2 sensor. I've also got the Tatrix OBD cable coming as well. So I'm going to put the front end back on this and get it out. Might even take it for a little drive before it comes in for a little bit of surgery. But this episode, I'm going to be polishing up this. I never got to finish it. This is for the skyline, and just make it like a mirror. I've got all the polishing stuff here, so let's get into it. Alright guys, first up, I'm going to get the bumper, which is on the roof, back onto the front. I'm going to cable tie it on, just like I did before, and yeah, go from there. Alright, bumper sitting on there. I'm going to cable tie it on, and I'll cable tie that. This hose, make sure it sits up a bit higher. Might take it out for a long cruise to burn off this condensation that's sitting in the exhaust, and then we should be able to see where the actual exhaust leaks are as well. I did find a pretty good one in the wastegate, so it should chuff out and really make it noticeable, so I can wow, there's some cars out today. Yeah, so I can see where it is. Also, you can see these oil leaks. It's like both valve covers are leaking. So we're going to get new ones of them. Comment down below as well, guys. Do I need to take the engine out to do them? I don't think I do, but I'm going to have to take this turbo system off probably to do it. And obviously, when I'm going to do that, I'm going to change the spark plugs too. But yeah, it's not an engine out job, is it? I hope not. I got cable ties and everything. So the middle one here has a clip, the middle one underneath has a clip. So then, this wedges in to a clip, cable tie. That one wedges into a clip, cable tie. And put the grill on. The grill needs cable ties as well. If you haven't noticed, I've got a grill up there as well. That's like totally different colour, totally wrong colour. What do you think? I've got the original guards with the flares. I'll go show you. Alright, so I picked this up from my parents' place during the week. So this is what I had in the mould. As you can see, I've sanded it down to make it all smooth because I had paint flaking off and that wouldn't fly while I was doing a mould. Come off with the mould. So that's where all the cardboard goes. My son wants to play with cardboard but never does. Anyway, put the spiders in here. These are the moulds, right? This mould is complete. I've run out of material to actually make a piece. And this one, I ran out of material to finish the mould. So that's still got the guard in there, the original guard. I still need to do the second part of the mould. So this bit here, so you can mount it. But yeah, I've got both guards here and they've both been sanded. So I'm going to need to paint them. So what I was getting at was I need to paint them. Should I paint that other grill? Yeah, so should I paint this grill? to the actual original colour. Same paint code, but it was different. I don't know why, but it came out like that. That was actually my first mod that I did to the car. That it had black on the inside. Anyway, let's put this one. I've got this one on here because I want to go like the sleeper looks. It looks like a normal SF Limited. Show you a picture of what I want to get it back to. So I'm probably going to have to get new clips because there's none that are in the bottom. So I've got one here, got one here, don't have one here, and this is broken. But yeah, it's pretty close to my original colour, as you can see. Very, very similar. Probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But make sure there's nothing under here. I'll close the bonnet. So yeah, there's the look at the moment. So I want to get these guards back to red, and I do have a red bonnet, but like I mentioned before, it fell over in the garage and it's got a big dint here now, big scratch too. So I won't be able to get that until stage 4 isolation is over, and you can run with the black bonnet, I guess. Have some red guards. Yeah. It does look a bit... something's going on. You can tell something's going on with black front on it. There's the picture that I showed you before, and it just looks like a normal non-turbo with a black STI front bumper and rear bumper. But now the old intercooler has come out and said hello. You can actually see the turbo through there now. Might just put mesh over them, I don't know. Just want some airflow. I've got a cooler there. Yeah. Right, I'm going to bring it down, start it up and get it out. She looks good when she's down. Let's get her out for a quick drive. Maybe not a quick drive actually. See if the guys want anything from the shops. If I'm not going stupid and boosting, just cruising, it should be fine. Hi guys, just warming her up and we'll go out for a drive. Windows up this time. keeping it in third gear. I got up to 8 psi, I think. 10. Go back around. Second gear. Fuel cut. Something cut. Alright, let's go back and see. Yeah, I popped off a cooler pipe. Still running fine. I don't know yet, guys, but I'm gonna go inside and have a look at the log that I just did. It's the fastest I've been because I got out onto the main road. I did log RPM so we can see RPM boost, fuel ratio, and mass airflow. So we'll have a look at that and I'll come back with the conclusion. Alrighty guys, so I just went in and looked at the logs, and by the looks of it, that front O2 sensor just shat itself. I tried to pinpoint the spot in the video where it happened, but yeah, after that it just went to nothing. Fuel trim went to nothing. I don't know what circuit it was running off, must have been closed loop or something like that, but yeah, everything went to zero after that. So I'm not going to start it. I'm not going to drive it because it should be able to run. It was running fine on the way in. I'm only going to run it to find where the leaks are until I move it. Hopefully this week sometime, this week coming, I'll move it to the pipe that I made after the collector from the headers, and we might have to get another O2 sensor for the front there. So yeah, I logged the math as well, and that's reading perfect with the RPMs. Went up and down with that, so that's good. And what else did I log? It was the RPMs, the sensor, and fuel trim, and boost. Boost only got to like 7, so obviously it's running off stock. So yeah, I'll have to play with the electronic boost control that I've got in the glove box to get up to where I want it, I guess. But I do have the Tetrix cable coming this coming week, so we can start playing around with that. We can log a lot better, a lot more clearer than just off the phone. Yeah, just going to leave it like this for a little while, and like I said at the start, I'm going to be polishing up this and do a couple of things on the Skyline this week until everything comes in for this. So yeah, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.